Frank Wilder. I've been working in the shop here for 45 years. We do anything from press work, turning brake drums, rotors, to complete engine rebuilds. We balance rotating assemblies, grind crankshafts, bore blocks, complete cylinder head reconditioning. We resurface flywheels here. We do flat step flywheels and also dual mass flywheels. There's very little here in the shop that we don't do pertaining to the vehicle or heavy duty equipment as far as servicing some of the needs in the area. We service multiple fleet operations across the area, and we have for many years. We do work for walk-in customers, and we service all of the Walker stores that we have. We got a good customer base, and we've got relationships with our customers, and we try to do quality work, and the relationships have been long-standing.